I'm currently taking a course at WINGS in Architecture and Environment in Germany. It's a great course to understand how architecture can really integrate to environment and help us to give some solutions for the challenges we have in the cities and in our climate today.
My advice to other students is that architecture is no longer about pretty designs or functions only. The pretty designs must talk to the resources, efficiency use of resources as in your materials with which you are building the project.
We have been studying for 2 years now, and we have done many excursions in different sites in Germany, which were very useful for us.
We are a good team, teaching team, with a lot of professors from different universities and students from all over the world, and working together in workshops for international aspects of green design in architecture.
I attended this course to find more about sustainability in architecture and find more answers about our future problems, our current and future problems in regard to sustainability.
The challenge being far away is to manage time if you're studying and working. So that might be an interesting challenge to overcome at the end. Keep in touch with the teachers, write them, and do some video conferences, because it's going to be very helpful, their advice in your studies.